Now, me dey a Coronation Market. See? Rain fall. Look on the condition of black people are selling. Look at. Look on the levity of black people. Look at this. Look on the condition of where black people really have to sell and live in. And Desmond Mackenzie and the rest of them are collecting people their money every week. All the people them are sell on ground. Look at. Look for how black people have to live. And me, if you see this and not say nothing.
Truth a truth in any farm. Truth a truth in any farm. Truth no need clothes. Make truth run free. From Norman Manley to Alexander Bustamante. It no need glasses for see. That from the root to the stem of the tree, PNP and JLP have been designed and created to hold down, hold back and mislead the Jamaican people. From then till now, the motive and objective have always been the same. It never changed. From Siaga to PJ Pattison, from Portia to now Andrew, PNP and JLP alternating but never ever stop and forever riding the gravy train to the demise and destruction of Jamaica and our indigenous children. The Jamaican political playground is contaminated, nasty and filthy. Evidently in the economical state of Jamaica and the disgraceful way in which the people are being unjustly treated and left to exist and operate. While the masses are painfully waiting on their political leaders to come to their senses and have some sort of compassion upon them, the political leaders are instead busy playing the game of thrones and in the meantime a sell away the people's rights and liberty, evident in the actions of the abominable salesman, JLP leader Andrew Holness. And when the people in their own ingenious ways put up some sort of resistance, hanging on to their sanity however way they can, their political leaders send out their security dogs to keep the people in check.
This is what the Jamaican police did to an old woman in Maple Town, fling her gun with her goods them.
Yes. What utter wickedness. The current ruling party, more like club if you ask me. The JLP is a heartless and cold set of vampires with Andrew Holness, the head vampire, more evil and sinister than any has ever seen. Not that the PNP is even any better. Them is another disgraceful, worthless and good for nothing set, where they catch up in the seat of power for how many years and never do nothing for the liberation of the people. The whole of them are work free and are sell out to the foreign vampires. Remember, at the PNP carry it up to which part the JLP take it over. All them do are rotate and pass the baton to the other team when the people cries reach certain heights. Mark Golding is another sleeping vampire that must remain staked in a feet coffin. But however, you see the nastiness we are galang in our dark, dirty closets. PNP and JLP, one day shall be revealed. And when the people really get to see the evil vampires that one really is, dawg, nyam on suppa. And you, Andrew Holness, your reign of tyranny might be long, but best believe it won't be forever. The ancestors not like you.
Now, me dey a Coronation Market. See? Rain fall. Look on the condition of black people are selling. Look at. Look on the levity of black people. Look at this. Look on the condition of where black people really have to sell and live in. And Desmond Mackenzie and the rest of them are collecting people their money every week. All the people them are self and ground, look at. Look for how black people are here living. And me, if you see this and not say nothing. You know, this is a wickedness. Wickedness black people are here selling a mud and muck. Look on the ground. Look there. And this is just one piece of the market. Every week you come in here, look like a dumpster. Look there. And you talk to some people and they're going to tell you about them can't do nothing about it. The people them there are spend their money every week. People are put on $500 and I give Desmond, Mackenzie and the rest of them. And they can't pay the floor or concrete. Look how black people are here live. Look on the condition. Where them are here selling. Look on this. Hey, you don't need to get on the act together in a general. Desmond, Mackenzie and the rest of them where I take black people money and have them a suffer. You don't need to do better than this. Look there. What kind of condition these black people are here living in? Look here. Look on my foot. And people are selling. Eh? First world country where I get too much money from government, from how much societies. And at this condition black people are here living in. Andrew knows this and the rest of them sit down on black people money and the people them are suffer. I don't expect me if you shut my mouth. You know this is a wickedness this. Look on the water over there. Look at it. Look on this. No man, Andrew Holness, man. You didn't forget your act together, man. This way past the limit now. That's why they look at you there, although them want to say what they want to be, but the man are talking truth. Look on the situation where black people are here living and are selling. Money and not help them. I collect black people money and not give them nothing. Nothing at all. You can't fix the ground, you have how much millions of collect and you tell me say, you can't pay out the whole place. Or brick out there and make the people them have somewhere to live in. Or if you eat, if you sell to people who come down here. Then a third, look here. Look on the condition. When you talk up, you're not afraid to talk, you know. When you talk, you know, mommy, you're not afraid to talk. Make them know. Every week, them are collecting the money and nothing not change. Nothing at all not change. Look over there, sir. No, man, that's something I can't continue, man. Black people need to come together and cut out the foolishness. I can't believe, look on the ground when I have to walk on. When I come down, I have to buy. And look on the situation and people are pay a tax. And I pay on every week $500. You know how much people in here pay $500? $500 can just clean the place. $500 can more than pay vote in here by year for done. I want to get more sponsors to take care of the market and take care of black people. I want to not do nothing. It has got change. Remember, I tell you, say it has to stop, you know. Desmond, Mackenzie and the rest of the KSAC, you have to fix the market and take care of black people. I fuck you now go on with it. Excuse me, like, boss, what have I? Me bex, man, look on the market condition. Look on the condition of where poor people are here living, brother. Don't put it up. Eh? Don't put it up. Let me not must talk about this, brother, man. You know, this is a terrible thing, this king. Eh? Brother, me if you left from way up there, so come in a condition like this and me a pay tax. And them a get money if you take care of people, them a have a condition. You're joking. Eh?
Hurt yourself. Yeah, idiot. You're a woman and don't want to hurt you. You can't hurt me. You have to promise me that. You have to promise me that. I can't tell you that. You have to promise me. I'm looking at me and tell you that.
And we alone did out there, other people live out there.
Excuse me?
Other people live out there.
May I go? Lady, step away.
No, we alone did out there. Other people live out there.
No, not today. Not today. Lady, step away from the car.
You don't understand. If I'm out of road, you can't talk to me, but I can't
guys, give me some assistance with this car. Come, pull this car out to me now. Give me some assistance with the car.
Come on, I don't know market with it, and I market with it. Come on.
Yeah, makes sense. You put yourself in that trouble. Makes sense. You put yourself in that trouble. Dog, me I say, no, make you work.
No, man, hold on. But I know we alone, you know, there. I know we alone. And then I mark you there. And then I mark you there. And then I mark you.
Did it?
Let's go down.
Did it? I don't want to pray.
And I mark you. I will there.
But you look here, come on, let's go park here. I'm not going to park on here, but here.
And I mark you there. I will there.
Madam.
Did it? Come on for the car. No.
Miss,
Not today.
comply here.
Not today. Did
Miss,
it? Come on for the car.
comply.
Did it?
Me not comply. You know why?
What the officer are?
You know, say you're in a serious trouble. Comply.
What the?
Everybody say this, you know why? I mark it with it. I will never do
Comply.
I mark it with
Just comply.
Look here.
You know, say if you don't compete, I can hard for you.
Listen what I say. Other me, it has to be done. Come here, go get me. You know why? I'm in the market. And this one,
No, but
you know why reason.
no, miss, you done expose it already, you know.
You know what?
You expose it already, you know.
Expose it from where?
Hold
In the market
on.
right here.
I will deal with it.
In the market right here. In the market right here. In the market right here. In the market right here, so. What problem? You say I want to take up my loan. Yes, so. What reason? We don't come out. We don't go out the road.
I need some assistance.
Me not come out from the cat. And if I dead, me not come out from the cat. And if I judgment, me not come out from the cat. Me not come out.
Xaymaca unity, them if you know a straight love we need in the community. It's time for us to unite, my brothers, my sisters. Let's join hands together. It's the only way to rise above inequality. One nation, freedom, my people, freedom.